have officially arrived in Orlando. Heading to baggage claim now. Sandra over here, who's going to make her appearances throughout the videos. We'll see if I can get her on screen a little bit more. But we are so ready. We're going to go grab our stuff, head over to Hard Rock Hotel, hopefully catch an Uber or a Lyft, see which one's cheaper, but we'll keep you in touch, see how the rest of the day's going. So we are here at Hard Rock Hotel, gonna get checked in. We'll do a little bit of a resort tour afterwards, but the music's already bumping. I'm sure Pierre's gonna have to play over that, but we will do that full tour afterwards. So I'm gonna try to get her on film as much as possible, you guys. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, so we just arrived at our room and it's pretty sweet already. Got the bathroom here with the sink. Oh, and a little baby sink on the inside. So two people could get ready at the same time, ideally, if one person wants to hog the toilet and the shower. Very nice. Little kitchenette with a coffee maker. I know Pierre would love that. Mini fridge. Closet. Let's check the closet space. Nice. We've got the safe, blow dryer up there, and you can hang your stuff. Come back this way. We got two beds. I love the concept. It's just very modern, very sleek. And they told us that we have a garden view. So let's check that garden view out. It's pretty nice. This is nice to look at. Much better than the parking lot Jordan and I got at Poly. That's for sure. Some nice decor and TV. All in all, I'd say the room's pretty nice. So we're gonna take the water taxi. And head over to Universal. First time I've ever taken the water taxi, so pretty excited about this. Beautiful view. I'm loving this. By the way, totally might have just had you guys all covered, but so we're thinking game plan is going to be Universal side first, and we're going to do Revenge of the Mummy and what was it, Escape from Gringotts? Escape from Gringotts. So we'll see how this goes. Mummy was awesome, per usual, one of my favorites. Now we go into the Jurassic World Tribute Store. Jordan's gonna absolutely freak when he gets in here. This is his favorite movie of all time. Oh, you didn't say the magic word. Keep your This feels so nice, doesn't it? He's gonna absolutely freak out. Yeah, go ahead. I'm just gonna Delta and Echo.
FaceTime like a whole group text.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I got right here. So that was used on screen, the Barbasol can that they used in the first movie. There is Alan Grant's pack. So cool. Incubation tray. They've got what is inside the chocolate dino egg, which looks like a bunch more of chocolate baby dinos. Another menu. So cool. Whoa. John Hammond. Screen views. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. That was great. Absolutely amazing. So Cassandra hasn't been here in 20 plus years, so her biggest thing is the Wizard and World of Harry Potter, so we're gonna go knock that off the list. We'll try to hit some things in between. We do have our express passes, so we will see what we can get on. But right now, the priority, especially if there is going to be some rain today, which it says around 3 there might be, we want to try to knock those Harry Potter rides out of the way. Look at that sky, you guys. Like, it's nice over there and then scary. I don't think the phone does it half as much justice. Nice over there, scary. Let's hope that we catch these rides we want to get on before the rain comes. You ready to be amazed?
Take your glasses off.
I have to film this reaction, Sandra. You ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready to be amazed? Wrong song. That was Jazz Park. Are you like ecstatic right now?
This is so cool.
All right, Gringotts? Sounds good. So we are heading on Escape from Gringotts, so I'm gonna go put you guys in the locker and I'll see you in a bit.
Can we bring drinks on the train?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
I've never heard of Harry Potter before. Frozen butterbeer might be my new favorite thing.
Perfect. And then also we get
Is this the way to platform 9 3/4?
Everyone keeps asking me about platform 9 3/4. I don't know what that is.
Okay. Thank you anyway. So we're in Hogsmeade now, so we're on the Islands of Adventure side. We just did the Forbidden Journey inside the castle, but I had to escape over here a little bit because I saw something awesome and I wanted to show you guys. That is the new Velocicoaster. And you've got a pretty good view of it here, and honestly, I watched a couple previews of this. Did not expect that height there as much as it goes up, so hopefully we can get on this today. It does not look like it's running currently, but again, I've only been over here for a couple of minutes, so it could be that one's not gone through yet. But we're gonna hope. Oh wait, actually, look at, spoke too soon. There it goes. But it does not look like there is anybody on that car right now, so maybe they're just doing some test trials. everything looks delicious. Look at that chocolate covered bacon right there. Look at that. Gosh, I could enjoy all of it. Pink Himalayan salt bacon, white chocolate drizzle bacon, dark chocolate peanut bacon. Oh my gosh. It's like a dream come true. There's macaroons over here. I'll see macaroons. I need macaroons. I go to Epcot, go to the France Pavilion. I almost said the French Pavilion. The France Pavilion. Specifically for macaroons. Might have to get some of those. No, I'll wait until we eat dinner.
Stairs, or would you prefer the elevator to go upstairs?
Stairs is fine.
Let's do the elevator, then I'll be happy to go in the elevator and give my feet a rest. I'll take the stairs. It's okay. I've snuck and ridden the elevator a few times.
That's cool. Alright, thank you. How's the drop? So our appetizer just came and we got the chocolate almond bread. It's only like $3. So pretty good size for 2 people. A lot of bread. It smells delicious. I can't wait to get into this, and I can tell by Cassandra shaking her head that she is also very excited to get into this. Oh yeah, let's watch you cut it open. Hey, it's like melted chocolate. Oh, it looks so good. Yum. All right, let's give it a go. I get what you were saying about it being dry. But it's still delicious.
You expect something different, even though it's bread.
That is really so good.
That salted
But
caramel.
it's dry, so I'm happy I actually put extra butter on it. Definitely would recommend. So this is my drink, and it is the Curious Cacao. It looks delicious, and it's for some reason not what I was expecting, but I'm like super excited. It's got rum and chocolate liquor, coconut rum. So I'll dive into that, see how that tastes. But also we got Cassandra's drink over here, which was, what was it again?
Old chocolate passion.
Old chocolate passion. So that also looks good. How's it taste? Strong. Oh, so Cassandra's gonna be on her, excuse my French, but her bottom when she finishes that. So let's dive in. So let's see how I do with that drink review. It smells great. Tastes good too. Definitely. There's that liqueur taste, which hits you kind of afterwards, which kind of, I just tried a taste of Cassandra's drink too. It did the same thing, kind of tastes really sweet when you go to drink it, and then it's like all of a sudden out of nowhere, pop, there's the liquor. So, but good. Kind of excited to eat a little coconut dream bar on top, not gonna lie. But I'll let you know how the rest of it goes. So wow, we have a dinner reservation later, so I tried to stay small for the first one, but at the same time I also was going back and forth between this and the chicken cordon bleu sandwich. I went with the pork belly sliders and a top with chocolate covered bacon. They look incredible, they smell even better. And Cassandra went with the fettuccine alfredo, which also looks friggin' delicious. And if I knew that was kind of the portion size, I probably would have even put that into consideration because it doesn't look bad. Like, I definitely feel like you're still going to be able to be good for later, so that's like a bonus. But we are ready to rumble.
Yeah.
Because we have not ate really besides the plane ride this morning. We both had a donut. So we had a donut and a frozen butterbeer. So I mean, it's definitely food time.
Oh yes, we do have the air conditioning in here. It's very nice.
We condition the air.
That's right.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing quite well.
We have a very nice establishment here. Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
So I'll review, sorry, I think that cut off there. So I'll review Toothsome a little bit later. We were going to go and do Hagrid's, but the storm is definitely approaching. There's thunder and lightning in the distance, and we are going to try to get back to our hotel as fast as possible before it starts downpouring. go refresh up, and hopefully it stops so we can make it back to our other dine-in reservation later, which is at
8:30.
8:30. So we will be back. We literally just made it back in time. It is legit pouring buckets out.
3 hours later.
Last ride of the day, we made it with 3 minutes to spare on Fast and Furious. Sandra's never been on it, so we figured we would hit it up. All right, here we go.
Well, my friends, the time has come. The ride that we'll had some fun.
I'll be surprised if you guys can hear me right now, but we are at Antitos in City Walk. I don't think where I was for a second. I think my margarita's already getting to me. Well, we're having some margaritas. I got the watermelon margarita, the Santa got the cantaloupe margarita. And we got some salsa and chips and some queso. Not recording this probably because I did not turn the camera around. But we are pretty excited, gonna unwind now after trekking through the rain. This is much deserved, a much deserved pair of margaritas. So far I already had a couple sips of the watermelon one, and I give it a thumbs up. How's your Cadillac margarita?
Delicious.
Her Cadillac margarita is delicious. It looks pretty good. I wanted something sweet, especially because the Tootsen one, and again, I'll review this later because I didn't get a chance to after we ate there. The drink was not as great as it started, so this is a huge improvement. Clearly, I'm not great at the vlogging thing because I didn't show you guys on meal before I started eating it because it looked delicious. Chicken quesadillas. They're great. Sandra's got some delicious looking fajitas. And she's prepping the perfect one right now. Good morning, Universal. 15-minute wait. So this is the kids portion.
Wait, maybe we're at the pub a little too long?
Yeah, you're
Definitely
probably
could be.
right there. Yeah, there. You hit it nail on the head there. So I'm already expecting an earful off of Pierre, considering I have been the worst vlogger today. Thank you.